What you see here is 1/4 of a Schlotzsky sandwich. Angus beef to be exact. This bread is baked by a real baker in each one of their stores. You know how Hardy says that a large black woman makes every one of their biscuits? Well, a large baker bakes this bread. See the spongy? It has the texture of that weird coral sponge. It is beautiful. It is right. Everything else is pretty good. I think that's mayonnaise. It's got cheese, onion, picked off the tomato, and of course lettuce. Again, this whole sandwich filled up this whole plate, and it was delicious. And it cost $10.99, but it's worth it. The bread is what makes these sandwiches so good. It is such good bread. God, I love it. Little kitty likes eating mosquitoes. Well, I like eating Schlotzsky sandwiches. Whole thing costs $10.99. Crazy. It's expensive. Very expensive. But if ever there's a special occasion or you can afford a specialty sandwich, get the Schlotzsky sandwich. Get original, get a Angus, get just a cheese, anything with the bread. I beg of you, try it. Before you die, I want to know that you tasted this. Because it is godly.